Minarap na ring adwang pulot adwang kandidata na ning Mutya ning Kapampangan 2023 karing media king provincial capital niyang Lunes, November 20. May subukan kay ning karelang Gelingan king question and answer portion. Kaya bay karing meging kutang makanano la makasahop king pamagpakilala king turismo na ning probinsya. Agpang kang Mutya ning Florida Blanca Micaela Santos sustainable tourism kayang aisip paparalan.
Because at the same time, I should also want to advocate sustainable tourism in a way so that we could be able to minimize overcrowding, because of course if we promote our destination, there would be more instances that many people are going to go to that place. So we also need to coordinate with the government and other organizations in order to control overcrowding and also to educate not only the travelers but also the locals so that we could be able to educate them about ethical and sustainable qualities and ways in order to minimize our waste, so that together we could be able to minimize the effects of climate change, and together we could have a positive contribution in our community so that we could be able to obtain the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals by 2030. Thank you!
May akutang muna man karela ng nanoing heirloom recipe na ning karelang balen at bakit kailangan na ini pagbaragul.
Ing ubod kawayan, ing pagbaragul ning pamangan, king lubaw. And ubod kawayan, ikumpara kaya din kika na ako sarili na kailangan niya pabukal na ito nga oras bang igisame at igisame king sibuyas at bawang kataliwaliwang sangkap. Kalupa ko na dinanas ko nga nakalakasakitan kimbe at ali ko balik pay tinag at pay sambut na numaning ka na akong gawan. May nga rin king neto nga kawayan na biasang mamaluktot para maputot.
Kitnandala naman ding Mutya nung makanano rehantin dyan ng amanong malago.
Beauty is we get to redefine that for every woman on this world, I could say. We no longer have to conform to the standards set upon us because I think we've been given such unrealistic expectations of what to look like. But at the end of the day, we're all just human. We will have our flaws. And I think what Malago is to me is embracing those flaws and accepting it wholeheartedly and learning to use these flaws as a part of your identity and as something to be proud of. Thank you.
Agpang naman kay organizer na ning MNK 2023 at Arts, Culture and Tourism Office OIC ni Pampanga Randy Del Rosario, paggamit day nga manong Kapampangan kaning kandidata king closed door interview.
Iba'y may add po kita po kay katamong closed door interview da king pre-pageant king November 22, Kapampangan la po din judges tamo. So in instruction po yung guidelines na po din kay katamong Mutya, the dominant language that they're going to use during the closed door interview is Kapampangan po.
Samantala, marapat niya ang pre-pageant ng MNK 2023 king SM Event Center nga ning Miyerkules, November 22, alas 5:30 na ningkat panapon. Malyari ang albeni ni live king CLTV36 Digital TV at CLTV36 official Facebook page. Yakoy kaya kayong talasuy JM De Jesus, ating pusong makabalen.